2005 Subaru Baja, one owner. All services are done, no accidents. Timing belt water pump has been replaced. Vehicle is in amazing condition. Leather moonroof, heated seats, power seat. As you can see, the black paint is amazing for its age. Not a door ding on it. This is all-wheel drive, of course. Hard to find Baja in this condition. Like new, in and out, everything works, needs nothing. Moonroof, it works. Leather seats are like new, no rips or tears. Original floor mats, owner's manual, heated seats, 167,000 miles, one owner with all services. Power seat. Like new. (2005) Subaru Baja, one owner, all services complete, needs nothing. Great vehicle.